Rosemary T. Labasan from BS Ed Math 3A. For task 3, determine whether the group is cyclic and the cyclic subgroups. Which are the cyclic subgroups in improper subgroup, proper subgroups, and trivial subgroup? To classify whether a subgroup is cyclic subgroup, the following conditions must be satisfied. First condition, the subgroup must be an abelian. Second condition, the subgroup must have at least one generator. Generator is an element that generates all the elements of the set. R sub 1 elements DAYLIGHT07249136 under binary operation star. It says here that it is not abelian. To check, observe this table. This purple one is our diagonal, and elements 0 and 2, as you can see, these elements are not symmetric from its diagonal. Therefore, it is not abelian. Since one of the conditions fails, therefore, this subgroup is not a cyclic. And for R sub 2 elements DAYLIGHT under binary operation star, as you can see that in the table, it is abelian because the elements are symmetric from its diagonal. And to check for the generators, for element D star D is equal to D generates D. For element A star A is equal to Y star A is equal to L star A is equal to and I star A is equal to G star A is equal to H star A is equal to T star A is equal to D, and D star A is equal to A. And element A generates all the elements in the set. Therefore, A is one of the generator. And next, element Y star Y is equal to I star Y is equal to H star Y is equal to D, and D star Y is equal to Y. So element Y generates I, H, D, and Y. For element L star L is equal to H star L is equal to A star L is equal to and I star L is equal to T, and T star L is equal to Y, and Y star L is equal to G, and G star L is equal to D, and D star L is equal to L. And element L generates all the elements in the set. Therefore, L is one of the generator. And for element I star I is equal to D, and D star I is equal to I, and I generates D and I. For element G star G is equal to Y star G is equal to T, and T star G is equal to I, and I star A is equal to I is star G is equal to A, and A star G is equal to 8. H star G is equal to L star G is equal to D, and D star G is equal to G. Element G generates all the elements in the set. Therefore, G also a generator. And for element H star H is equal to I star H is equal to Y star H is equal to D, and D star H is equal to element H generates IYDH. And for element T star T is equal to H star T is equal to G star T is equal to I star T is equal to and L star T is equal to Y, and Y star T is equal to A, and A star T is equal to D and D star T is equal to T. Therefore, element T generates all the elements in the set and T is one of the generator. So the generators are A, L, G, and T because the result they generates all the elements in the set. Since it is abelian and has generator, the two conditions are satisfied. Therefore, this subgroup is a cyclic. And for our sub-3 elements dy, IH0293 under binary operation star says that it's not abelian. And as you can see in the table, element 3 and 2 are not symmetric from its diagonal. Since one of the conditions fail, it is not abelian. Therefore, this subgroup is not a cyclic. And for our sub 4 element DYIH7416 under binary operation star, it also not abelian because as we can see in the table, the elements 6 and 4, these elements are not symmetric from its diagonal. Therefore, it is not a cyclic because one of the condition fails, which is the subgroup must be an abelian. Next, our sub 5 element DI09 under binary operation star. And as you can see in the table, the elements are symmetric from its diagonal. It is abelian. It says here, no generator. We're going to check it. For element D, star D is equal to D. D generates D. For element I, star I is equal to D, and D star I is equal to I generates D and I. For element 0, star 0 is equal to D. D star 0 equals to 0. 0 generates D and 0. And for element 9, star 9 is equal to D, and D star 9 is equal to 9. 9 generates D and 9. As you can see, the result is not consisting all the elements in the set. Therefore, there is no generator. Since it is abelian but has no generator, one condition fails to satisfy. Therefore, this subgroup is not a cyclic. Also, in R sub 6, element BI23 under binary operation, it is abelian since the element of the set are symmetric from its diagonal. Also, there's no generator because the result of the following elements are not consisting all the elements in the set. Since it is abelian but has no generator, therefore this subgroup is not cyclic. And for R sub 7 element DI71 under binary operation star, it is abelian because the elements are symmetric from its diagonal. Also, there's no generator because as you can see, the result of these elements are not consisting the elements in the set. Therefore, there is no generator. Since it is abelian but has no generator and one condition fails to satisfy, therefore, this subgroup is not a cyclic. And for this, next, R sub 8 element DI under binary operation star, as you can see, it is abelian. The elements are symmetric from its diagonal. And also, as you can see the result, the element I star I is equal to D, and D star I is equal to I. The element I generates all the elements in the set. So our generator is I. Since it is abelian and has generator and the two conditions are satisfied, therefore this subgroup is a cyclic. Next, for R sub 9 elements D0 under binary operation star, R sub 10 element D2 under binary operation star, R sub 11 element D3 under binary operation star, R sub 12 element 9 under binary operation star and R sub 13 element D 1 under binary operation star and R sub 14 element D7 under binary operation star. As you can see, the tables are symmetric from its diagonal. Therefore, it is abelian. And also, it has generator. For R sub 9, the generator is 0. And for R sub 10, the generator is 2. For R sub 11, the generator is 3. For R sub 12, the generator is 9. R sub 13, the generator is 1. And for R sub 13, the generator is 7. Since these are abelian and has generator and the two conditions are satisfied, therefore, these subgroups are cyclic. And for the trivial subgroup R sub 15, element D under binary operation star, it is abelian and has generator. Since both conditions are satisfied, therefore, this subgroup is a cyclic. So we have here the 9 cyclic subgroup. R sub 2, R sub 8, R sub 9, R sub 10, R sub 11, R sub 12, R sub 13, R sub 14, and R sub 15. And next, we're going to determine whether the group is cyclic or not. For R sub 1 element DAYLIGHT 07249136 under binary operation, first condition, fail, is not abelian. Why? Because as you can see in this table, 614,741, these elements are not symmetric from its diagonal. Remember, this purple one is our diagonal, and they are not symmetric from it. So, therefore, it is not abelian. And to check if it has a generator, you can observe the result of these elements. As you can see, there's no element consisting all the element in the set. Therefore, there is no generator. Since both conditions fail, therefore, the group is not a cyclic. That's all for task 3. Thank you for listening.